welcome to DevLockArt, and in this piece I will be stippling a leaf, and these are a few of the products that I used for this project, and those products are a 6 trees 5x7 picture frame, a Fisker's cutter, Prismacolor pens, and acrylic matte finish spray. And so right now I am cutting out my cardstock to the size of the border, and so doing that, you won't have a huge piece of paper that doesn't fit the picture frame. And then you can also see where I kind of made little tick marks in the corner of the interior of the border, and I did that so my drawing wouldn't go outside of the border and you'd be able to see everything that I did. And so right now I am stippling, and stippling is just a series of dots that create an object. Well, I guess you don't have to create an object, but in this case I am creating a leaf. And so when you do that, well, when I did it, I chose a light brown and a dark brown, and so for the areas where the light hits the most, you want to use your lighter color, and for my darker areas I use the dark brown, and for the in-between I just did a mixture of the two, and that will create a medium brown. So technically I used 3 colors, but yeah, that's pretty much it as far as that goes. And for the dark shadows, I just made sure that I used my dark brown. I mixed a little bit of light brown in there just so it looks a little more fluent, but other than that, you're just pretty much using 3 colors. And so right now I am using a pastel pencil, and what I do for a soft background is draw really hard on the side, because it'll create little dust particles from the pastel. And I dip my brush in it and bring it over and lightly rub for the areas I want a light color in, and then for the darker areas push really hard. And that was pretty much it. So this is my piece. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.